Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon UNITE Error Code 151401. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to create a new Pokémon UNITE account using their Nintendo account but are unable to log in. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but our research suggests that this could be a temporary issue caused by general problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. A simple restart may help in resolving any temporary glitches. So restart your device and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if there are any pending updates. If there are, install them and check for the error again. If the error continues, then try connecting over any other network. Also, make sure that you are not connected through a VPN. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you reach out to the game support. They may be able to assist you further with this login issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.